Hi, so this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how mortgage brokers can use Chat GPT to create an Instagram reel in literally 2 minutes. So we need Chat GPT 4 for this. So if you go to where it says Chat GPT 4, so we need plugins. So the plugins that you're going to need are, I've already got them, but I'll just show you through how to get them. So you just type into the store and type in Capcut is the first one, because Capcut is going to create the video. So we install that. We're going to get Canva as well. That's going to do the artwork. And then we also need Wikipedia. So we install those three. Once you've got them, we're going to use the prompt. So what we're going to do is say, create me the reel using Capcut. Use Canva for the thumbnail. Make it about avoiding. Sorry, make it about the 5 top things to avoid and applying for a mortgage as a first time buyer. So let's see what it says. There is a couple of things in here, obviously, it's an American thing, like loan, ignoring loan options. So I'm just going to put yes, use British in the content. Now she is changing it to the British dialect, British English cultural nuances. So now I'll proceed with the video with a British accent voiceover. Yeah, that's what we need. After that, we'll design the thumbnail for your Instagram reel. Please note the video generation might take a little time. Let's get started, shall we? Yeah. Always using manners. For some reason, I always say please and thank you to it. Hopefully, I'm hoping it gives them better results if I do, I think. Okay, so it's coming back with the video has been successfully created. You can view it or download it here. Please note, you might need to wait a minute for it to load. We'll create a thumbnail for your Instagram reel. We'll design it based on the top 5 things to avoid when applying for a mortgage. Let's proceed with this, shall we? Yes, please. Now using Canva. Fantastic. We have some template suggestions for your thumbnail. You can choose one you prefer, and then we can customize it. Yeah. So that's the first one. So what we'd need to do is just go through to Canva to customize it once it's given us these suggestions. They're a bit off. Please try again for mortgage business. So include pictures of houses. While that's doing that, let's have a look at the video result. Where is it? So click the link and that takes us to Capcut. It's just loading the video now. And so it's created the video here. It's pulled in all the B-roll. It's reading the captions. Then you can change the aspect ratio. So you could post it on YouTube. You could post just by changing the aspect ratio. So yeah, there you go. Literally 2 minutes, I think that took. And let's just go back to see what it came back with on the Canva front. Yeah, now these are a bit more house oriented. Cool. So yeah, have a go at it and let me know if you've got any questions. Thank you.